My name is Beau Gibney. I'm the owner of Green Vision Materials. Green Vision Materials produces, packages, and distributes landscape products. We do the natural mulches, double ground, triple ground. We even have a quadruple cut. And then we also produce the colored mulches in double ground and triple ground. We produce topsoils, leaf humus, composted manure, and then we also do a variety of soil blends. Our customers on the bulk side of the business are landscapers, garden centers, and we also have a pretty robust retail division. On the commercial side and packaging, Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, True Value Hardware. So the characteristics that we look for here, first of all, a clean product. We want it to be free of any foreign contaminants. We want it to have a nice shred, not real chunky, a nice fuzzy shred to it, good consistency, well blended, and nice color.